Babes, it's lash day. My lashes actually stayed pretty good this time. I think I want to go a little bit more voluminous. I say that all the time. I'm bringing my sweater so that I could be comfy and fall asleep. It's so goddamn windy, but I'm wearing like a cute shirt and I'm stacking my shorts. I love lashes. I asked my lash tech, would you rather nails or lashes? And she goes, both. And I'm like, yeah, you know what? I've reached that point in my life where I cannot. They're so pretty. I just learned that you're supposed to use oil when you want to create a wet look. And that's what I was going for today, to be honest, like a little like wet updo. And I put hella oil on my hair, which I'm not mad about because it smells really good. Okay. Let's go eat some food. I'm so hungry. I was twitching while she was doing my lashes and I was a little like embarrassed because I didn't want to ruin her work. But I didn't even, it wasn't intentional. Like I was falling asleep and you know when you do that fall asleep twitch thing, like I did one. But it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. It was just a little one. But I was conscious of it because it woke me up. So maybe it was really bad if I woke up from it. I woke up and the first thing I did was come to Walmart. So that's where I'm at. I didn't have the chance to buy some material glue yesterday, so I'm gonna buy some right now. And I also need some eggs. Okay, I decided on this glue. This seems good. I found this. It's way bigger. Let me give you guys a haul because I need to transfer everything into a bag. Eggs, aluminum foil, these clips, the fabric glue, ribbon. These are the best cookies ever, like frozen cookies that you bake. Gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, peanut-free, plant-based. Like you can eat them raw. I got 2 cans of mango juice. This is what I grew up drinking. This vlog is probably gonna be so chill. Like I'm not doing shit. Okay, I don't want to leave. Y'all, this new Amare song, ooh. I'm working on my boots. My house is a mess. I purposely leave it a mess so that I feel more pressured to finish this project. I sewed on this, what's this called? This trim to a piece of fabric so that I can glue this piece of fabric to the boob, which is way smarter. The first time I did it, I didn't do it this way. This is way better. I really don't know. All that I want is paper. You know that it's dead. Started, so watch him out. Got everything you needed to please you, but baby, keep in mind I don't need you. Baby, we can go all the way. If you fucking with the view, we can lay up. Smoke this, smoke that shit. If you wanna drink, then drink that shit. If you wanna roll up, work with that shit. You can do whatever you want. As long as you own it, babe. Yeah. As long as you own it. I'm like 95% done my boots. I have so many clips on them. I have them clipped all over the boot just to hold the material in place. I had a lot of like dangly things and I took them off because I felt like they looked cheap, but I might incorporate some back in after. I used the jacket so much. Like everywhere. I really love how the inside of this boot came out. Like this is hard. The details. Like I finished it so clean with the zipper and then left some leather peeking out. Like it's so cute. I make sure I cleaned up all the edges. Like the edges to the zipper is so clean. The edges at the bottom are so clean. I do need to reinforce it a little bit with extra glue, but y'all, these boots are crazy. I took a break and I cleaned my house, which is nice. Just this area my little part of my kitchen that's an absolute disaster. The ribbon I bought today from Walmart was just not it. Like, it's like a very plasticky ribbon. It doesn't flow like regular ribbon. So that's unfortunate. I need to clean this up. Guess what day it is? It's the day I'm trying on my boots. I'm so funny. I'm trying on my boots. I finished them last night. I actually worked on them a little bit this morning. Like, I added final touches to the boots and they're done. They're drying. I figured while they're drying, I will do my makeup because this is a big day. You know when you try on an outfit and like you don't have your makeup on, so like the outfit looks ugly, but it's like not the outfit, it's just your face. I don't want to get that feeling when I try on these boots. I need to feel like a bougie woman with these boots on. I really like how the boots came out because they're not identical. They're a pair, but they're not the same. Like a cute couple. Oh, I need to change my battery. 1 second. It's time. It's time. I have hella chip clips and clips on these boots. I'm gonna just unclip them real quick. Let's start with this boot. A zipper, some buckles. I did some pleats around. So funny, I just got a comment saying like you should do pleats around your boot to give it like a mini skirt. And like, girl, we're thinking the same. I love the button detailing. I even added like a little piece of fabric just to chill there. The inside of the boot too is actually very well done. Maybe you need to see it from like far away. Next one looks like this. Similar in the front with like a zipper here. We have some crocodile skin peeking through, a little strap on the front, which is very cool detail. We have a pleated ribbon on this side. I have some dangling zipper and a dangling piece of fabric that I attached to the 2 buttons. This is a very cool shoe. I love the back of this one because of the 2 buttons here, and then I clipped a piece of fabric and rounded up the top of the boot. So these are what the boots look like. See, they are very much not identical, but worn together, they look so good. They just complement each other very well. I'm gonna try them on, okay? I have like one part of my room where I try on shoes. It's like a specific corner because I don't like walking in my house with shoes on, but I designate a certain area in my room so I could try on my shoes with my outfits. I've been waiting a long time for these boots, y'all. Like, I started working on them weeks ago and only now I finished. It took me so much time and effort, but worth it. Oh my god. Oh my god! Wow. Wow! I love these boots so much because they're distressed and there's like a lot going on, but not enough to the point where it's like, what the fuck is she wearing? Oh, these are cool! You're kidding. Oh, frick, there's like a glue patch on the top here. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh my god, I'm gonna leave these right here so I can stare at them every single day. I love them way more than I thought I would. I thought I would just like want to wear these boots sometimes, but no, I think I want to wear these boots every single day. If I seen these boots online and they were like $500, I would just think to myself like I could make it. Because I can. And I'm just so proud of these. I'm very proud of these. How much would you pay for those? Personally, 500. Love you too. Love you so much. Bye.